Is ueli running but not working the way it should? Maybe searches aren't returning results, extensions have stopped responding, or keyboard shortcuts aren't working. In this tutorial, I'll show you several practical ways to troubleshoot and fix common ueli issues so you can get back to work quickly. So let's begin. The first step is to completely restart ueli. Close it from the system tray or end the process in Task Manager if necessary, then launch it again from the Start menu. Yeah, a simple restart often fixes temporary glitches. Next, open the Settings window and review your configuration. Make sure the extensions you need are enabled, your keyboard shortcut is still assigned correctly, and any custom searches or commands are properly configured. If features like File Search or Bookmark Search aren't working, refresh the related indexes or data if your version provides that option. It's also a good idea to make sure ueli has access to the folders, browser profiles, or resources those extensions require. Using an older version can sometimes lead to bugs or compatibility issues. Check whether a newer version of ueli is available and install the latest release. Updates often include important bug fixes and performance improvements. If the issue continues, restart your computer to clear temporary system problems. Also check Windows security or your antivirus software to make sure ueli hasn't been blocked or quarantined after an update. If none of the previous steps solve the problem, uninstall ueli and install the latest version from the official source. So a clean installation can replace damaged files and restore the application to its default state. And that's it. You've learned several ways to fix ueli when it's not working properly. Hopefully one of these solutions solved the issue and got everything running again. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.